Hey, welcome, my YouTube friends. I'm Vanessa, and today I want to do a share with you. It's one of those flip-flop junk journals. So, yay! So, welcome. All right. Um, when I done my December daily over on my Facebook channel. Oops, boy, that got bent. Crap! I didn't have that setting right. Yeeks! I'll have to try and straighten that out. Oh, I hate that when that happens. Anyway, when I done the December daily over on my Facebook page, and I will put the link down below to this project. I did a final review on it here, but I will put the link down below to where you can go see what this was all about. And boy, and anyway, I will put the link down below if you want to go check out this. And I will also put my Facebook link in there too if you want to go check this out. I'm scrapping it up over on my Facebook page. All right. But anyway, from the scraps that was left over from this, I created this flip-flop journal, and I love it. It turned out so cute. All I did was use a file folder. Okay, and I just used a ribbon for the closure. And it's folded in a Z shape, is all it is. And I used the brown wrapping paper from Walmart. I love this stuff. Love this stuff. If I can find the link to it on my Amazon, I will put that in the description box down below. Okay. So like here, you're watching the video. Sometimes it's down here. You can click more and it brings up the description box. But anyway, I will try and put the link for this if you would like to go purchase this from Amazon. I do earn a small commission. If you go through my link and order, you can order anything you want. But yeah, it does help support my channel and you pay nothing more for it. Okay. So this flips open. Like I said, I just use the scraps that we had left. Okay. So here's a pocket here and then place for photos. And then here's a little tuck spot. Oh, I think this turned out so cute. And I just used 28-pound copy paper for all my photo mats. Then here is a belly band. Okay, and a little photo mat. I should have put a white photo mat on that. I didn't even think about that. And then a little tuck spot here. And just used up the little bits and pieces that was left over. Because who doesn't like to use, the full collection? We get the collections and we have bits and pieces left over. And why not create something like this? So then here you have a little tuck spot here. Very cute. And then here you have a little tuck pocket I created with the gift wrap. So then here you have a little tuck spot as well. And then this is where it flips this way. And now we get to look at the back side. So again, you have a little tuck spot here. It's so much fun to put this together. Oh, I loved it. Loved it. So, we could do something like this if you want to learn how to make this. You just need the gift wrap paper and a file folder and, bits and pieces left over from a collection. Oh, so cute. I may have to save this for next year's December and use this. Put my photographs in here and journal in it. Very cute. So then here we have a pocket. Well, I got lots in this pocket. And I just, you know, the torn gift wrap that was left over, I just created some pockets, put some twine on. Oops. Put some twine on. Then here, this one I done in twine. This one I just used a scrap piece of paper to create a tab. But nice areas for photographs. You can use them for journaling too, you know, or you can journal right on your gift wrap. Here we have another tuck spot. So it's full of tuck spots and little places. Oh, so much fun to put together. I know you guys would enjoy doing this. And I love junk journals because, you know, you can put anything in a junk, anything goes for a junk journal. It's your album, your way. And this is the end of it. And then I used washi tape on the inside. So here I put washi tape on the inside and I put washi tape on the inside. So that way it helped strengthen it up. And then I just, you know, attached the ribbon on the front cover and then brought it around and use it for, you know, it could get as chunky as you want it, you know. I love it. I love it. So let me know what you think about this. I would like to know what you think about it. And like I said, I will put the link down below if you want to go check this out. And hey, that's all I have for you today. So I hope you enjoyed this album share. And yeah, I've got lots of projects coming up, guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. All right. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.